What if I told you one of history's strangest disasters wasn't a war or a plague, but a summer that never came? Imagine snow in June, frozen crops in July, and starving families in August. This was not the Ice Age, it was 1816. The world called it the year without a summer. It all began far from Europe or America. In April 15, on the island of Sumbawa in Indonesia, the mighty Tambora exploded. It was the largest volcanic eruption in recorded human history. 10,000 people died instantly, but Tambora's fury didn't stop there. The eruption hurled so much ash, dust, and sulfur into the sky that the entire Earth was wrapped in a veil of volcanic winter. Sunlight dimmed, temperatures dropped, seasons broke. By 1816, the skies looked strange and the air felt wrong. In New England, snow fell in June. In Ireland, endless rain drowned the fields. In Germany, crops rotted in the mud. Horses starved, cows collapsed, and millions faced famine. The price of oats skyrocketed. People desperate for food turned to eating grass and rodents. Entire families wandered the countryside, begging for survival.
The summer that never came spread chaos across continents. In Switzerland, a group of young riders trapped indoors by the relentless cold tried to entertain themselves. Among them was a woman named Mary Shelley. Out of that darkness, she began imagining a story about a scientist who creates a monster. That nightmare became Frankenstein. But the year without a summer wasn't just misery, it reshaped societies. Starving families could no longer afford horses, so inventors rushed to design alternatives, kickstarting the idea of the modern bicycle. Strange sunsets painted the skies with haunting colors, inspiring artists. And for governments, the famine sparked protests, riots, and demands for reform. All this from a single volcano. Mount Tambora had cut global temperatures by nearly 3 degrees Celsius. It was as if the Earth itself shivered. More than 100,000 people died in the aftermath, not from lava, but from hunger and cold. And yet most never knew the true cause. So next time you see a fiery sunset or hear thunder rolling across the sky, remember, one explosion on a distant island once robbed the world of an entire summer. And here's the chilling thought. Volcanoes like Tambora could erupt again. Would we be ready? Or would we face another year without a summer? This is Secrets of History. Subscribe now and uncover the stories the world forgot.